Hello, good morning. It's day 2 in the same place in Nubra Valley. हम वहीं पे हैं अभी भी. But today we're going to be headed to some place that I have been most looking forward to, which is the Turtuk village. And this village has a very interesting history. ये इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के बीच का सबसे last village है, which is why I'm really excited to go meet the locals over there, the Balti people, etc. I will tell you much more about this village जब हम एक बार वहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे. I'll tell you what the history is about this place. It's really intriguing. तो देखते हैं. आई गेस यहाँ हमारे होटल से 2.5-3 घंटे का ड्राइव है, बट अपेरेंटली हम बाइक में शायद 1.5 घंटे पे पहुँच जाए. सो लेट्स सी. एज फार एज द वेदर गोज, आई फील लाइक इट्स मैंडेटरी टू डू लाइक अ वेदर फोरकास्ट नाउ, बिकॉज लिटरली यहाँ के मौसम का कोई भरोसा नहीं है, कभी भी बदल सकता है. बट टुडे इट लुक्स प्रीटी like the sky is pretty clear as of now, and it is a little bit sunny, but you never know. So today we're going to be going first to the Turtuk village, और उसके बाद we're going to be going to the Nubra Valley's sand dunes, जो यहाँ की खासियत है. cold sand dunes होते हैं यहाँ पे. So all that and more packed in through today. Super excited. Stay tuned with me till the end of this video so that you guys can come with me to all these gorgeous places. See you. हमारी आज की पहली मंजिल काफी खास है. We are headed to the Turtuk village, a place that boasts of some unique history and culture. So I have come to the Turtuk village, hoping to find some Balti people who are the locals who stay here, and to see how they stay, how they live, just to kind of get to know them a little bit. So let's see if I'm able to do that. It is a place that has seen and experienced the word change like none other in India. People here were Indians until 1947, then they were Pakistanis for 24 years until 1971, and now they're back to being Indians again. Many of them have families on the other side of the border, faces that they haven't seen in decades. क्लासेस में मुझे लेकर जा रहा है एक बाल्टी विलेज में. खाने की यहाँ पे बाग है, चार है.
मोहम्मद अली.
और ये सारा किचन का सामान,
किचन रूम में ये है, ये भी इसमें किचन के सामान है, पत्थर के बर्तन बड़े बड़े. हाँ, गिलगित और बल्तिस्तान दो अलग है, तो हम बल्ती का एक हिस्सा था। तो 71 में 1971 में इंडिया पाकिस्तान वार हो गया, तब हम इंडिया में आए।
यहाँ के बाल्टी लोग काफी शाय है, लेकिन बहुत ही वार्म भी, बच्चे भी ऑफ कोर्स, एंड फार्मिंग हैपेंस टू बी देयर मेन सोर्स ऑफ इनकम। पानी सीधा ग्लेशियर से आता है, लेकिन बहुत ही साफ पानी होता है। इट्स ओके टू ड्रिंक वाटर, आई एम रियली टायर्ड, सो मीठा है ये पानी। After meeting the Balti people and interacting with them, I came and sat down at one of the cafes at the Turtuk village itself to quickly grab a bite. And we're finally here at the beautiful Hundar village, जहाँ पे sand dunes है, and यहाँ पे 2 humped camels होते हैं जो वर्ल्ड में और कहीं नहीं होते, बट सिर्फ यहीं पे मिलते हैं. They're called as Bactrian camels. And these dunes, because this is a Himalayan desert, these are cold sand dunes, so pretty interesting. मैं camel पे तो बैठने नहीं वाली, but the vibe is really great over here. The scenery is beyond beautiful. You guys should check it out. I will show it to you in just a minute. नुब्रा वैली खुद में ही अपने आप एक टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन है. यहाँ ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है that isn't worth seeing. It is believed that the original name of the valley was Durma, literally meaning Valley of Flowers. Now also, it's known as the Orchard of Ladakh. It is a stunningly beautiful place that attracts thousands of tourists each year. These sand dunes are located between Hundar and Diskit village and present an amazing sight of the white sands. It is also amongst the top camping sites in Ladakh. यहाँ पर आप camel safari भी कर सकते हो. Also, don't forget to try the steaming hot momos right at the entrance of the dessert, जहाँ एक lady इन्हें बेचती है. In late day, I have the entire day to myself to kind of just, roam around and explore a little bit. So I'm going to be going to some places in Leh itself. Let's see what we can find. अभी फिलहाल तो मैं आई हूँ Shea Palace में, which is also known as an archaeological site out here. Let's see what's in store for us out here. It's a beautiful palace. So the route up is really cool, but also charte look at the view on the other side. I'm all the way from here, and now this is the way to the monastery. Let's go. Shea Palace Leh city से 15 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर है, and it is one of the best places to get an aerial view of the entire city. The best time to visit the palace is between July and September, जब weather सबसे favorable होता है. The palace was built in the 16th century for the royal family, and it also houses a monastery on the top. Need to pay an entry fee of ₹20 and can visit anytime between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. But I highly suggest, however, कि आप 7 बजे सुबह जाओ, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हर रोज एक प्रेयर रेसिटेशन होता है जो डेफिनेटली अटेंड करना चाहिए. puja chal rahi hai aaj. Apparently it must be some big day or something. So there's a big puja going on over here and it's really really intriguing to see. चलो अंदर जाके देखते हैं. ले मार्केट is an ancient market dated back to the 15th century और आज ये ले सिटी का one of the main attractions हो चुका है. यहाँ हर तरह की चीजें मिलती हैं, ज्वेलरी से लेकर local fruits and medicines, homegrown vegetables, household items, clothes and a number of restaurants to stop by. Well, I eventually sat down at one to grab some Tibetan lunch. Right behind me is the Maitreya Buddha statue, which is 106 feet tall Buddha statue, one of the tallest out here. And the reason it faces this side is because that is Pakistan. So it's made in a way that it faces Pakistan, and this was done so that they could initiate peace towards Pakistan. But this is what it looks like. And there's a rule out here कि किसी भी बुद्धा स्टैचू के साथ उसकी मोनास्ट्री नहीं होती, मोनास्ट्री हमेशा ऑपोजिट साइड होती है. So this is the statue and that's the Diskit monastery that you see behind me, right there. Well, that's it for this episode. I hope you guys are enjoying and having fun watching the Himalayan Diaries with me. Kal Hundar Sand Dunes se aane ke baad I slept off at night. I was super tired to even close this video. So here I am the next morning. But anyway, if you guys like this video, please do hit the like button. Do share it with your friends. Subscribe to Talk and Travel if you still haven't. And I will see you guys in the next and the last episode of the Himalayan Diaries. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.